Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Whenever it's one of my children's birthday, I always make a special cake just for them. My youngest daughter asked for some Mochi Matcha Cookies and not a cake. And I said, why can't we put those cookies onto a cake?
Today, I'm going to show you how I made the Mochi Matcha Cookies using the recipe from One Happy Bite. In making your mochi, make sure that you're using sweet rice flour. Put the flour, the sugar, and the milk together. Then stir it up free of lumps. Cover with cling wrap, microwave for 2 minutes, and this is how it should look. Form 12 balls and set aside. Now let's make the cookie dough. We add the baking soda to the flour, add the salt and the matcha powder. Then we just give it a short whisk and then sift the dry ingredients. Now we add the sugars to the butter, cream it up, and when it is creamed, we add 1 egg. Again, we beat this until it's nice and creamy, and then we mix the dry and the wet ingredients together. The dough is now a matcha green. I used a spatula to scrape off the sides of the bowl, then added the chocolate chips. We chill this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. This will make 12 cookies. While waiting, let me show you some of the cakes I've made over the years. Big shout out to Teresa, Isabel, and Reda. Hello anaks! I hope you enjoy the cookies.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Let's now put the mochi and the matcha together. So the balls of dough are flattened, and we put in one of the mochi balls and cover it up the best you can, pinching along the way and rolling it. There you go. The mochi-filled dough balls are ready, and I've added more chocolate chips on top of the dough. Bake for 11 to 12 minutes.
I hope you can make your own Mochi Matcha Cookies as well.
The cookies are ready. Let's try and see how this looks. Okay, pulling it apart. There's the mochi. Ooh. One more time. Checking out the mochi inside. And this one is a gooey one. Happy birthday, baby!
Thank you for watching.